So now since I'm done with that little spa day, I'm just going to take my vitamins now. I already fixed my hair. It should dry and do its little poofy thing that it does that I like. So yeah, now I'm just gonna take my vitamins, and these are the vitamins I take, just your natural vitamins, you know, vitamin C, and then these. And yeah, so I'm gonna take my vitamins, and then I'm gonna go put on my makeup, and then probably what I usually do, go put on some YouTube videos, and yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, so I decided not to wear makeup just because today is a rainy day and I just want to go for the natural look and not have to worry about taking my makeup off or anything, which doesn't take long, but I just don't feel like putting it on either. But now I am just getting ready to watch some YouTube videos, so that is what I'm going to do, catch up on all my favorite YouTubers, because that is what I do every morning after I'm done getting ready for the day. I already brushed my teeth, did my hair, took my vitamins, ate breakfast. Here's the puppies. Hi, Rosie girl. And then Clarky's over there. Yeah, he's a cutie. I don't know what she's doing, but he's cute. So now I'm just going to YouTube and clicking on some videos to watch. Hi, buddy. But that's probably all for this video. Just a little spa day, what I do, and that's it. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!